I've also started line drawing on Desmos. Just wanna help you out with few of the things. See here, you can see it's a horizontal line, and it's both of them. So these can be easily made because they are passing through means y equals 24. Okay, on this line y is equals to 24 all around. So whenever if you have to make it, it's quite simple. You just have to give restrictions of x from 4 to 4 to it's whatever. This is your 10, this is 9, 8 till 8. It's 4 to 8. No, this is what I have done. See here, it's y equals 24, 4 to 8, then y equals 24. This is 10 to 24. So it's quite simple. Now I just want to discuss about these slant lines, how to work out them. See, now the picture I have gave you, from there you can actually read the scale and choose your equation accordingly. If we focus on this line here, purple, first of all, uh, what is the scale? This slope, the slope is in this direction. No, so slope is in this direction, and what is the slope? So if you see here, let's take this point as the reference point. Okay, so if we have to reach here from this point, what is the relation, what are the coordinates of this with respect to this? I'm not taking this as the reference point, I'm taking this as the reference point right now. So what are the coordinates of this? Okay, so the coordinates of this point are here. If you have to reach here, you have to go 1 unit like this and 1 unit like this. So it's 1 1. That means it's y equal x. No, same. But because it's in this direction, so this is gonna be I'll tell you how to do this. Y equal minus x. So this is the line. Okay, so this has the same slope. Now what do you have to do? Now you have to shift it up to this position. Okay, for that you can either choose C here, okay, and just like this, and then your slider, and then you can see how up do you want it. So this is not till 10, so you can increase this to 100. Okay, so now wait, so now you can actually see what do you want. You may slide it slowly. So what's the C here? 29. So you got no, it's not 29, it should go. So this is basically 28. Okay, so then you can put here 20, 28. Okay, now once you get this line, then you have to put the restriction. So restriction is from this is x is 4 here and x is 5 here. So you basically have to put the limit from 4 to 5. No, so and you'll get that point. Now let's discuss about the other. Suppose this line here, the green one. Okay, now suppose this is the reference point. Okay, so we have to reach here. How to reach here? So if we have to reach here, so horizontal distance is 2 unit and the vertical is 1. Okay, so is it y equal 2x or x equals 2y? You need to think that. Okay, is it y equal 2x or x equals 2y? It's basically x equals 2y. No, x equals 2y means means x horizontal distance is double of the vertical distance. So so you can write that also, x equals 2y. Okay, but do not write x equals 2y, just change it into this will become y equal half x. Y should always be on left hand side. Okay, if you simplify x equals 2y, it will become y equal 2x. So y equal, sorry, y equals half x. So y equal half x, or you can also write 0.5. Y equal half x. So this is the line here. So this is the exact line. No, now you have to shift it. You can either use slider or you can randomly put some number also. Just like I have put here 20. So it's a bit more. No, I'm just putting 21. So it went above. So I need to put 20.5. So this is exactly this. Now I have to put the limits. Okay, so what's basically why this drawing is important, because it has lines with different slopes. And why did I keep this as positive here? Why did I keep this as positive? Because the line was in this direction. If line would be in this direction, you will always put here negative. Okay, so there are three things basically. You have to choose the sign here, and you have to choose the coefficient of x, and you have to choose this value here. Okay, you can take any line. Suppose this is the line here. So these are the endpoints of this line segment. Choose any of the point as reference point. Let this be reference point. Okay, so what are the coordinates of this with respect to this? Okay, so you can say the horizontal distance of this point from this is 1 and the vertical is 3. Okay, so y is more, no? So y is more and horizontal distance is less. Okay, and what is the relation between y and x here? Y is actually 3 times x. Okay, so y is actually 3 times x. So you can substitute that here. Y equal 3x. So I got yeah, and this is in this direction, no? So negative sign. So y equals 3x. Now you can choose random first. Okay, I need to add more because I have to go here. Then you can choose 50, then more, or you can use the slider also, but it's at times it's tough to control the slider. Okay, let me choose 60 here, more. So I'm choosing 70. It's so little less. So 68, little more, one more less. 67, but here you can see the slope is why it's not wait, I must need to check my equation. So here it's okay. I was looking for this green one, sorry, so I focused on the purple one. It was actually green one. So little, then I need to put 65 here, and I suppose 64. Yeah, we got it now. So this is your this line. Okay, so I suppose sign you can choose aram se, there's no issue with that. In fact, this won't trouble you. The thing that is going to trouble you is this one here, the coefficient of x, the what should be the number here. Okay, so for that I've told you, if you see here for the green one, okay, this is the line. Okay, so from you may choose any 2 point, no need to choose the endpoints only. Okay, so here you can see I can choose these 2 points also. If this is the reference point, to reach here I have one horizontal and one vertical. That means it's y equal x. Okay, so that you'll get. I suppose this is helping. If not, please message me. We can also, the same thing applies in your second drawing. Let's see that also, this one. Okay, if you have to see what should be the coefficient of x here, first of all it's going to be positive because it's in this direction. So you need not to see the end point. You can fix any 2 points. You can take this point and you can take this point also. Okay, the smallest. So from this reference point, if you have to reach here, so it's 1 and this is also 1. That means y equals x. Okay, so in this picture, no need to go through the end points only. Take any 2 points, any two, whatever you wish to. Okay, and then your problem will be, means you can easily decide the slope. So that's all for this video. For any further problem, please do ask.